Scallion oil noodles is a dish with Chinese characteristics. I believe you can see it in Chinese restaurants. In this class, let me teach you how to make it at home. First, prepare the following ingredients and seasonings. Cut the onions, garlic, carrots, and cucumbers separately. Put the onions, garlic, and chili powder in a bowl and pour hot oil to stimulate the aroma of the ingredients. Then pour 2 spoons of light soy sauce and aged vinegar, 1 spoon of sesame paste, stir well, and the sauce is ready. Next, we boil the water, put in the noodles and blanch them, and blanch the carrots as well. Then put the noodles in a bowl and place the carrots and cucumbers. Finally, just pour the sauce and stir well, and a dish of scallion oil noodles with a full onion flavor is ready. I put the text steps at the end. Come and learn with me.